Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.coinsandconnections.com. Smile for me. Hey guys, today I am here with a Zazzle unboxing. I recently purchased a ceramic ornament and a greeting card just to show you guys the quality of both of these products. I ordered both products on November 11th. My greeting card came on November 16th. This is the packaging that the greeting card came inside. It's one of those flat packaging, and then I already tore it off just so it'll be easy to unbox this. I'm gonna pull out the greeting card. It is one of my designs that I have. It comes with the envelope. I believe while I was purchasing this, you can choose whether you want an envelope or not. And then here is the greeting card. It's just one of my designs from my Zodiac collection that I put on a card with a black front. There's nothing on the back, it just has the little Z, and then inside it says, "Bitch, please, I'm a Capricorn." If you know my personality, if you know about Capricorns, if you have a Capricorn in your life, you will definitely understand the inside of the card. This is a birthday card for a Capricorn. And then with the ceramic ornament, arrived on 11/23, and it came in a bubble mailer, and I'm gonna pull it out. Came wrapped in some more bubble wrap here. It's a circle. And here is the ceramic ornament. It has a family picture on it right here. And then there's nothing on the back. I did think it would come with something like a loop or something, but I guess they left that blank with the hole in it so that you can put it on your Christmas tree by yourself. It did not come with a loop or twine or anything, but this is the ceramic ornament from Zazzle. Altogether, the greeting card and the ceramic ornament came out to $13.08. They did arrive separately and was also shipped separately, but that does happen on Zazzle. I just wanted to make sure I would come on and show you guys a review and unboxing of a Zazzle greeting card and a Zazzle circle ceramic ornament. Thanks so much for subscribing and watching my channel. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.